Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Binance, right? So let's go to the Play Store, or if you're using iPhone then just go to the App Store and search here Coinbase and make sure to install the app, right? Then after that you have to install the app. So I've already installed, and make sure to also install the Binance, right? So let's open the app, and after opening the app you have to just log in into it, right? So just wait for a few seconds here, let it load. After that you have to create your account, your secure account, or verify your account. If you haven't, then this is pretty easy guys. You have to do the same thing as you are buying any crypto. You have to click on the transfer button, which will be down below in the between, and after that you have to transfer that money to Binance wallet, right? So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.